1974 Corvette Stingray. If you're looking for a C374 Corvette side pipes, hey, this one is it. In the back, and then you can see very well taken care of. Turbo 400, you got your 350. This is Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I'm gonna bring this brand new addition. This is a 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. What's awesome about this one is not just the rims and the side pipes and the great color combination, but it is a single family owned Corvette. You don't get to see that all the time, and this is one of them. This has got the T-tops, the side pipes, the 350, the automatic. Thing has been just completely gone through. Obviously, there's lots of new suspension you'll see in the undercarriage. You've got the rims, you've got the good brakes, and hey, you've got the great sound of the side pipes. What we're gonna do is go through the exterior, go through the interior, and take you on a test drive. And at the end of this video, we'll show you the full undercarriage so you can see exactly what this vehicle is. 1974 Corvette Stingray. And this thing is looking awesome. I actually really like the look of this one. Now going through the paint, it's not perfect. There's definitely some imperfections kind of going on throughout. But overall, it actually shows really, really well. Look through here. Of course, it's Arizona, so there's going to be a few rock chips right there on the windshield that you see, but you can see T-tops are actually in really good shape. A little bit of checkering going on back here, but everything on this one there, got a little check there too. But overall, again, it shows really, really well. Now, is it perfect? Absolutely not, but it does show really nice, really well. And you got some right there. Well, I like to go through all the imperfections, that way that you can see it. And then we'll get to the good fun stuff. See, hood's in really good shape. Looks like there's one right up there. We're going through the side. Shows off really well, and I love the side exit exhaust. Got some American Racing. I like the look of these. This is a 235 40 18 here on the front. Going through good tread on that as well. DOT right from 19 on that. Let's get here in the rear. And these are actually in really good shape. Definitely could do a polish, but other than that, thing's ready to go. 235 50 18 here on the rear, and that's got a nice offset to it. I like that as well. Tread's in great shape. Getting over here. Yeah, just a nice polish to it. It'll show off real well. And 19. Looks like all the tires are 19. So just right about 6 years old. So just right about time for new, even though there is good tread. Tires got a lifespan. I mean, I've seen some 20 years still going, but I wouldn't go 100 miles an hour in them, that's for sure. But tire tread's all good. Through here, all the lights work as well. Tilt steering. Lights pop up just like they should. signals. Turn signal. And turn signal. And coming over on this side. Turn signal. And turn signal. All right. So that's all working. Getting in here to the engine. Aluminum radiator, electric fans, new carb, electronic ignition. That's probably why the tach is not working. Already been through that. Tach is not working. Couple new suspension components, hooker headers. That is for your side exhaust. I really do like that. And he does have the surround that's on there too, so it does get hot, but it will not burn your cognac. A little bit harder with one hand, but shuts really well. I love the side exit. Just sounds good. It's got a great look to it. And look, so hands on it. Yeah. Getting here to the interior, so it is missing a few little pieces. Missing that piece right there, but the seat is actually in good shape. This is vinyl, not leather. See here, get down so the tilt works. So you can see here that that is not working for the tach, and that's probably because of the change up, but let's go through. So windows, power windows, those are working up and down. That was nice and fast. And this, let's see. So this was originally an AC car, does not have the AC components on there. Looks like heater is not, fan's not working. It's not working. Radio does work. The radio works. That's not Bluetooth. Looks like these gauges are working. Tach is now over here. Dash, you can see it's kind of melted just a little bit, but it's actually in pretty good shape. It's not any big rips or tears. Some vinyl adhesive remover, but this definitely keeps it where it's still good. So it's got a little bit of a sag in it from the heat, Arizona, but the fact that it is still not cracked, I like that. And then obviously trunk is going to be right back here. There's a bunch of goodies for you if you buy it. Sunshade, got a dust cover, T-tops. That's a T-top holder in there as well. There's a couple of little knick-knack things in there. Yeah. Well, there's like a little burn there, but that velour's in decent shape. And then coming over here to the passenger side, it's in decent shape. A little bit right there. Caution, hot pipes, but actually those are keeping pretty cool, so I like that. Carpet's in decent shape here as well. See, there's no really rips or tears in throughout the seat. It's in good shape. Shuts really nice. Get into the test drive. Put that up. All right. Get you guys all buckled in, ready to go. Pull it out too fast. All right. So 10 temperature, obviously it's a nice cool day today. Temperature's not moving. I don't know if it's still 100 degrees, but we'll see after we go through. It looks like the temperature gauge might be off as well. So we got tack, auto gauge, not the factory tack. All the windows work. Horn works. We've got our wipers. Nope. Not looking like we got wipers. No wipers. We do got horn. Speedometer does work. Overall, I mean, hey, 1974, single family owned. Runs out real well, sounds real good. You see, drives great. It does. Drives out nice, brakes are good, suspension's nice and tight. I like the sway bars. So they did a good job with just really putting it together. Oh yeah. Oh, drives great, sounds good. If you're looking for a C3 74 Corvette side pipes, hey, this one is it. Remember, we have over 300 photos. We have nationwide transport, online financing, all ClassicCarAddict.com. Guys on the next one. All right guys, we're getting under this 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, and what I like about this one is that it's a family, single family owned its entire life. It went from the brother to the brother, and this thing is just in really good shape. I really do like it. Lots of good upgrades here in the back. And then you can see very well taken care of. Turbo 400, you got your 350. What I really like about this is the side pipes. So the muffler system, the exhaust system on these side pipes, they are also a muffler and insulated. And then you have your Stingray right there. But you can just see very well taken care of. Aluminum radiator, electric fans, A-arms, disc brakes, all of the good stuff. You can see there's a little bit of seepage kind of going on through here. They did replace the oil pan gasket at one time. It is missing the shield right there as well. But just a few little things, just depending on what you're looking on doing with it. This one is ready to go.